may be of three types. One is step-by-step process. Next is decision making. Next is iterative statement. The step-by-step process, it is execute the statement one by one. Then decision making, some of the timing we are using the program which is your decision making program. Another is your if else statement. If else statement basically it is used to what checking the condition. So sometimes when you write a program, your program is of three types. One is step by step process, decision making, then iterative. So I have mentioned here. Your program types. First is sequential, decision making, iterative. The three programming types we're using. Sequential is called as the step-by-step process. Decision making, which is used for checking condition, then iterative. So in decision making, making, we use the three construct. One is simple if construct, then if else construct, next is decision making, nested if, next is switch case construct. So three construct we are using: if construct, if else construct, nested if, then switch case construct. So these are the conditional construct we are using. Okay.
अच्छा.
So a decision making construct requires that a programmer specify one or more condition to be evaluated or tested by a program, along with a statement or statement to be executed. If the condition is determined true, and optionally other statement to be executed. If the condition is determined to be false, then your else block is executed. If statement. An if statement consists of a Boolean exception followed by one or more statement. If else statement, an if statement can be followed by an optional else statement, which is executed when the Boolean expression is false. Nested if else means in the if you can include another if condition भितर आम आउ गोटे if condition लिखा जोटा कि आम लॉजिकल लॉजिक बिल्डिंग रे आम पढ़िथिले. Next is switch case statement. The switch case statement allow a variable to be tested equally against the list of value. Means you have to take a input from a user and check with the multiple list. If your value is matched with any case statement, then the particular case statement is executed. So nested switch statement, you can use one switch statement inside another switch statement. This is called as the nested switch statement. Now we go for one by one. In C if statement consists of the Boolean expression followed by one or more statement. Then if Boolean expression means if your condition is true, the statement within the if block is executed. Then the block of the code inside the if will be executed. If the Boolean expression value evaluate to false, then the first set of code after the end of if statement. So first of all, in the if you have to give a condition. If your condition is true, then statement within the if block is executed. C programming language assumes only non-zero and non-null value as true. If it is either zero or null, then it is assumed as false. Now check that. Here we have to check a condition. If your condition is true, then your conditional code is executed. If your condition is false, then it is a terminator. Okay, the flow chart is stop here. If condition is true, the conditional code is executed. If your condition is false, then here it stops here. Now we go for to check whether we have to take the two number from user and check whether the two value is equal or not. So for that, here it is giving you a simple example. It is initialize the value. First we are defining stdio.h int a equals to 10. We are defining a variable and assigning a value 10. If 10 is less than 20, then it is showing you that a is less than 20, and the value of n is, or value of a is, what is the value it will return you. Okay, if your condition, if you pass here 30, the 30 is not less than what 20, it is greater than 20, the condition is false, so this part is not execute, and it is showing you the value of a is this. Now I move to the program. I will display you. You can use the simple software, C free software. File, new. Different IDs are available for running your C program. It is one of them, C free. As include stdio.h, then void main Okay. Then you write here printf. Printf is used to display or asking the user to enter some value. Printf, enter a number. Before that, you define a variable. Some variable you define int a comma b. Scanf. Ampersand a. Printf, enter second value. Then we have check a condition if a greater a less than b. It's showing you number is less than second number. Stdio.a is void main. Okay, it is asking you enter a fast number 40, enter second number 20. The number is less than fast number. Okay. एटी आउटपुट टा चेंज कर दो लिखी दो no, sorry. तुमको एमती डिफाइन करिया पड़िबो एटा लिखि दबा ए लिखि दबा आउटपुट टा में चेंज कर देखियो एटा ओके एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर हला 40 एंटर सेकंड नंबर हला 20 तो 20 is less than first number 20 is the second number 20 is less than first number एठी हमें आउट एठी यूज कर दबा स्लैश सेम एठी भी यूज कर दबा स्लैश सेम तो डन करियो उथरे एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर सपोज हमें दबा 20 सेकंड नंबर दबा 43 तो 20 is less than second number ओके बुझिला मनीषा मनोरंजन
यस सर
सुनील तो बुझी पाइलो
यस सर
प्रोग्राम टा बुझी हला
यस सर
एठी मु दीटा वेरिएबल
आइडिया सब बुझला
अरे क्लास से
मुझे दिया वेरिएबल ले ली int a and b तापर मु नंबर एंटर ए फास्ट नंबर एटी एंटर कली तापर मोर वैल्यू टा एक्सेप्ट हला कोडी ए वेरिएबल स्टोर हला एंटर सेकंड नंबर टा एंटर करके बी रे मु स्टोर कली जदि मोर वैल्यू टा a ग्रेटर देन b हला ताले फास्ट इंटीजर टा शो करियो फास्ट पैरामीटर तो से जो नंबर टा धर जो नंबर टा मु पास करी धर मु एटी पास करी 20 and 40 तो ये 20 टा कौन हला लेस देन बी रहिला तो 20 इज लेस देन द सेकंड नंबर बुझिला अच्छा एपे हमें आ गोटे चेंजेस करियो देखिबा int मेन ने करले void मेन करिबा एटा रिटर्न करियो सब आईडी टू आईडी प्रोग्राम टा टिके डिफरेंट रहे return error main must return a value. ए कंपाइलर एटा काम करूँ void main टा काम करियो किंतु एटा हम जे ऑनलाइन ने करिवा this program in online it is executed. Good. Stop debugging. Enter a first number 20. Enter a second number, suppose 60. So 20 is less than the second number. So in the online compiler, it is working correctly. But if you are using here, it shows an error because it is only identified main method as int. Okay. So main method must return a value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
There is a small difference we have. So here we have to write, but void main in void main. Here it shows an error if you are using the C pre-compiler. That is the one program we define. Next, So if else statement already we covered. This if and else statement, if your condition is false, then your else statement is executed. In the if you mention only the if your condition is false, there is no statement is executed. But in the case of if else statement, if your condition is false, then else part is executed. The syntax of if else statement is C programming language. If boolean expression, if your condition is true, then statement within the if block is executed, or in else block it is executed. If the boolean expression evaluate to true, then if block will be executed, otherwise else block will be executed. C programming language assumes any non-zero and non-null value as true, and if it is either zero or null, then it is assumed to false value. Then here we define int a equals to 100. Okay, already I have defined if your value is less than 20, then it is less than 20. This condition we are already covered. Nested if statement, it is always legal in the C programming to nest if else statement, which means you can use one if else in inside the another if. Means गोटे if condition भितर आमे आ गोटे if condition पास करिबा. एटा होची हमर nested if condition. गोटे if define करा हला ए if condition भितर आमे आ गोटे if define करिबा. मोटी देखो होची केमते यूज करिबा. If condition, in if we pass the another if condition. Okay. In if we pass another if condition, so it is called as the nested if. So here it is also contained the else block. So it is called as the nested if else condition. The nested if else condition is working in this way. First, you define a if condition. If your condition is true, then it is execute the another if. Then else part is execute. Then here it is a outer else part. बुझिएला nested if.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. माने गोटे if condition भितर आमे आ गोटे if condition एटी पुट करियो. नेक्स्ट आर क्लास रे हमें आर आउरी कंडीशन लिखबा. तो बिफोर दैट तमे किछि टैक्स नै जाओ. एटा मते सबमिट करियो. write a program, accept year, and find out it is leap year or not. Accept 3 subject marks. Find out find out average. Ensure the student all 3 marks is greater than 75 and average is greater than 80, then selection letter is sent, or else rejection letter will send. It is a 2 assignment that you perform and send me in WhatsApp.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
So your next class is on Monday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.